we can get paid somewhere. Alright. It's for all my niggas out there. Try to do it right. Try to do it wrong. But either way, it didn't work out. So, hey. They say it is what it is in love, but fuck that. It's like a black cat in my path and all of that. It's like a myth to me, it's like a mystery, something missing. I think I need my missing link. I rub a pussy cat and she still don't come back. That damn, what I gotta do? Feed you, the whole crew, your mama too. You doing some bullshit that Osama would do. Terrorizing me and my heart, it's like Head Start, bitch. This ain't back in the day. I'm a grown man, 23, in my heyday, trying to get paid, live for my kids every day. And you bullshit, I got some real shit, and you be trying to take the other and call my mother and talk shit. But next time I see ya, I'ma smack you. Sorry, but that's what a Mac do. You think I'm tricking and cheating and doing bullshit? Well, I'ma pull my balls out and show the whole kick. And I'ma move on, bitch, and show my focus to some real shit. Some niggas like me be the dopest. I'm light skinned, came back with some dready bows. Fucking with these old knockhead, dumb, heady hoes. Bitch, you ain't better than me. Man, you wish you was my sweater on my veteran seat. Cap, you like a dog or something. I'm like a frog, it's nothing. I stay wet and I stay on the land. You stay a bitch, but I'm staying a man. You just a snitch, you be calling your friend. I ain't doing shit. The regime trying to pull you away. I give a fuck, cause you do the same bullshit every day. So look, brother, tell a bitch like this. A nigga really just changes focus. My eyeglasses back on and you be talking the bullshit, stuck in the tampon status, bitch. I ain't bleeding on you, I ain't bringing no drama, I ain't fucking your crew. Your bitch cousin like me too, I ain't fucking with her. She talking shit but she got 4 kids and fucking with bruh. Come on, she can suck me up, but look baby, what we got, I wouldn't fuck that up, for real. I'm just a nigga with some city blood, a nigga that like fat ass but I'm a titty blood. Yo, it's whatever nigga, I'm doing mine, and I'm paying my time. Shit, I got to, and sometimes you gotta do what you got to. I don't wanna have to rob you, but I got to. I mean, shit, what I mean, man? I mean, I got to, fuck. I don't like doing crime, but I do the time with it. And some of these motherfuckers will never forget it. And niggas know my name, cause I'm never bullshitting. I'm on the team, nigga, they calling me Scottie Pippen. A championship type nigga, full of my dreams, full in my hand, getting this cream, trying to get this money thing. Shit, I want a big house, a big car, and a nigga wanna live like a superstar. Shit, I'm trying to get my drink on, I mean my Weezy weed. I mean my Drake on. I mean if I could get it, I some Grey Goop. Fuck. What I say? Grey Poupon, whatever the commercial say. I'm not a commercial nigga. I do this shit every day up on the block, up at the park, up at the school. I do the fool. I'm doing you. Your bitch is calling me still, nigga. And it's all Mr.